Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to biology education. Today we will learn about the part of microscope, and then we can learn too about the step for using the microscope. You know that microscope are tools that science use to make the observation. They make them look bigger than they really are. Many things in science can be studied under a microscope. Okay, let's start. Study about the part and the function about microscope. Okay, the first part of the microscope is apiece, or we can call it ocular. The apiece lets in direct contact with the eyes of the microscope. The next part is arm of microscope. Is the part whose function is as a place for the observer when holding the microscope. Okay, next, rug focus. The function of rug focus is to focus the object. We can up and down the rug focus. And next, fine focus. Fine focus more small than rug focus, and the function to focus the object to be sharper and cleaner. The next stage, the flat platform to support the slide or our object. We can put our object in the stage. Okay, next is stage clip. The function of stage clip is facilitate the observation process so that the object does not shift or move. Okay, next is mirror. The function of the mirror is focus light on the object being observed. Okay, next is objective lens. Lens that is in direct contact with the object. Usually there are three types of objective lens on the microscope, namely with magnification of 10, 40, or 100 times. Next is nose piece. That is the vital role of the nose piece is to rotate this objective lens and help to change the magnification power. We can rotate the nose piece until hear a click. Okay, I think enough for the part of microscope. Next, we will learn about step for using the microscope. The first step is you can place the microscope in a comfortable place. And then set the lighting on the microscope to match the position of the object. You can rotate the mirror. And you can put the object on the stage. Don't forget use object glass and then cover with cover glass. And then clamp the object glass so it doesn't shift or move. And next, you can rotate the focus rod until the object looks in focus. You can up and down. And then you can turn the focus fine until the objects look clear and sharper. If you want to change the magnification, don't forget to up the rock focus first. After you are up your rock focus, you can rotate nose piece and will hear a click. After that, you can down again your rock focus. And don't forget, you must rotate again your focus fine until the object look clear and sharp. If you are finished the observation, you can take the object glass from the clip stage. Okay, I think enough for this step for using the microscope. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.